Welcome to Domin's brand new Technology Centre, a state-of-the-art facility in North Bristol. The coming together of 3 of our previous sites to be closer to our main headquarters in central Bristol. It's a space where we're able to co-develop manufacturing, product development, and continue to iterate and learn from what we do.
So the Domin Technology Centre is going to help Domin grow massively. First and foremost, it's going to allow for the collaboration of working so we can react to things quickly. We can bring whatever skill set we need from across the business, whether it's electronics, design, manufacturing, engineering, technology, can all come and we can work quickly together. The other thing it's going to do is going to be able to be a showcase for our customers. They can come here, they can see exactly how we're making our valves. Our technology is different. It's different to the rest of the hydraulics industry, and we want to show that off. We want people to come and see it, learn and experience from it. It's also a great education piece for anybody who wants to understand about engineering. Is the one place in which we can all come together and collaborate.
Now that we're here, we're looking at new ways of introducing technologies into production, using the existing machines and tools that we have to make further improvements and really drive quality and productivity improvements throughout everything that we're doing here. We'll be looking to buy new machinery and use new machines, new technologies, and working with machine tool suppliers and external companies to drive productivity improvements. The quality control within manufacturing is mostly through measuring, both on machine and off machine, looking at developing CMM as a capability and how we can then feed that back into the machine so that we get live updates. That's how we can really maintain our lead times and look to improve those as well.
Domin's Technology Centre allows us to create this real foundation for growth. It gives us a great centre in the UK where we have access to incredible talent, all the resources we have around us, a fantastic supply chain, and really set up those production lines that we need in order to be able to make hundreds of thousands and millions of components a year. And it will set the standard for us for excellence, which we can duplicate in our global expansion.